Hey guys, it's Jessie. So today the first thing I'm going to show you is my progress on the Shimmer shawl. I believe that's what it's called. If not, I'm going to have it linked below if you want to check it out. It's a design by MJ's Off the Hook Designs. Okay, so I haven't gotten very far with it because I was putting a lot of work into the V-neck sweater that I'm working on. And I'm not 100% sure if I like the shawl. So here it is. Oh, now that I show it on camera, it actually looks pretty. Wow. So when I'm looking at it this way, I don't know, it's not laying flat and it's kind of all over the place. And I'm not a huge fan of holes, and this is using the treble crochet. So the holes are much bigger than the V-neck sweater I'm working on. So when you're working up close, I just wasn't sure if I liked it. I mean, I did take it apart one time and then I started crocheting it again. I'm like, okay, I'm going to give it another chance. But wow, when I hold it up, I'm really loving it. Yeah, that looks so gorgeous. Wow, guys, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep going with this shawl. I think I'm loving it now. I mean, those colors are very pretty. So I'm going to keep going and see how that works up. She adds, once you crochet it all up, she adds like a lot of fringe. That'll probably take a while to do, but it's beautiful. So I'll be doing that at the end too. Okay, so the sweater, the V-neck sweater. So first I want to mention, so when you guys saw me in the last video, I was making a size large. And so I started crocheting more and getting more of the body done and realizing that the body was pretty big. It was like, and it's supposed to be oversized, but it was way more oversized than I was wanting it. First, I had also sewn up a little bit of the sleeves on the side to make the armholes smaller. And I did that first and then worked the body and realizing, okay, this is a little big on me. So I decided to take it out, not the entire thing, because she has you do, I think it's 7 rows is the same for all sizes. And then it goes into the actual size that you're making. So I undid a good amount and started making the size medium, and I am so much happier with the results of the medium than I was the large. So I am really loving it so far. Now the armholes, I'm still not sure if it's too big or not, but I am gonna go ahead, try this on, and I'll show you guys my progress. Okay, so here it is, guys. And of course I have a bigger t-shirt on than what I normally would wear. I'd probably wear a tank top or a tighter t-shirt. But I am really loving it. I love this ribbing around. I'll show you that closer in a little bit here. But yeah, the colors are just gorgeous. I'm loving it so much. And so much more now that it's a medium. And the sleeves, I'm debating on this size if I will just, well, actually I'm thinking about maybe starting to crochet a sleeve. And if it's too oversized for me, I'll just kind of go back a few rows and then do some decreased rows. So we'll see how that goes. And as far as the V-neck goes, there's going to be ribbing here too. And it's just gorgeous. I am so excited to keep working on this. I'm loving it so far. It's so beautiful, but I'm going to take it off right now because it is pretty warm. So here's what the ribbing looks like on the bottom. I just absolutely love it, and to me it was so much fun to work the ribbing. I know some people when they're making this, they're like, oh, the ribbing takes forever, and it does, it takes longer. But I love the end result, and I actually enjoyed working on it. I'm loving this so much, this sweater, and I've been debating about already starting a second one. But I mean, maybe I should finish this one first. I'm not sure yet. But she has the pullover granny pop sweater where it's not a v-neck and it just comes around up by her neck more. There's like a ribbing around here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just, I'm not sure if it would drive me crazy having something against my neck because I don't like things up against my neck too much. But it's so pretty that I might give it a shot. And of course the cardigan, I would love to try the cardigan. And she has, if you go to her YouTube channel, she has so many beautiful designs. She has other cardigans and other sweaters that I really would love to try one day. So I did go through my stash and I do have Lion Brand Mandala. And it's called Dream World, the color, 590 yards, and it's a light 3-weight. I believe I got it in a Lion Brand Santa sack one year, but yeah, I've got 3 of these things and they're quite pretty. I don't know how I would look in pink, but I think these would really make a beautiful granny pop sweater. I don't think I have enough for a cardigan, but I believe I have enough for another v-neck sweater or the pullover sweater. So maybe even the hoodie, granny pop hoodie that she has. I am not sure. So I might start that too. We'll see. Of course, these colors I love even more. I really love the more muted colors. And these are, it's a little bright. It's on the bright side. So that's why I'm kind of unsure, but I think I might want to give it a try anyway. So thanks guys for joining me today. I enjoyed sharing my projects with you and I hope you're having a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Take care.